Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I'm excited to present to you this 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen Hyperlyte 25 RBHL. If at any time you get so excited about this trailer you just want to call and ask me some questions or schedule an appointment, feel free to call my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878. Love to get to know you and see if we can help make your camping dreams come true. So people are actually really excited about these Heritage Glen trailers because they're chock full of upgraded features and options. There's some notable construction features that Northwest campers tend to be really attracted to. This is an aluminum frame constructed trailer with vacuum bonded sidewalls and floor. This is what makes it not only durable for dry camping or boondocking off-grid, but it's lightweight and beautiful as well. They have an upgraded insulation package with enclosed dump valves and underbelly so that you can rest assured that you're going to stay warm during those cold winter months. On the outside, there's some really awesome features also. Every Heritage Glen trailer is equipped with a power tongue jack, large double propane tanks with a cover, extra large pass-through storage. Overhead, we have a large power awning with LED lights for your extended camping space underneath that awning. Most people put their lawn chairs, their table, and they set up camp on the outside, kind of like a deck. It's wonderful. It extends the camping space 50% on the outside, which is really awesome. And you can listen to your favorite music because they have 2 weatherproof outdoor speakers on the outside as well. I'm excited to take you inside the trailer and show you around. I love showing these trailers because they really have the wow factor. You're going to notice that there's beautiful interior design, all modern colors, herringbone pattern on the floor. There's a lot of contrast to the colors, so it's got a lighter feel, but it's still warm and cozy on the inside. All of their pantry doors have glass inserts and motion-detected LED lights. As a matter of fact, LED lights inside and out of this trailer, which will definitely conserve your battery power, yet give you long-lasting, warm, brilliant color inside and out for years to come. So let's take a look inside. So, as I said, you've got solid step entry, which is very stable as you walk in and out of the trailer, especially for people with mobility issues, and they have adjustable feet. They're wonderful. And that staircase takes you into the largest trailer door, about 30 inches wide, which is fantastic. And off to your left, you're going to see immediately a wardrobe for some extra storage. You've got a walk-in pantry closet. This is a rear bath. So one of the things that people love about these is they're actually quite large. You have enough room to get in, take a shower, change clothes, towel dry, do everything you need to do with the door closed. It is a barn door, a sliding barn door. It reminds people of that show Fixer Upper. So as you walk into the trailer, you're going to notice that it's a beautiful herringbone pattern on the floor. This trailer is absolutely gorgeous. All the colors are modern and new and up to date. It provides great contrast, so it's not all monochromatic. However, it does have a lighter color scheme, which people in the Northwest tend to like because we do have our fair share of cloud cover and rain at times. So when you take a look, there's great separation of space in this trailer. You have the bathroom in the back, then you have the living room area, and so right in front of your theater seating, you have a beautiful entertainment console with a 32-inch LED TV and fireplace. This actually does heat. And behind all of that is a walk-in pantry closet. Next, moving on forward, you have the panoramic window over top of the dinette, which makes into a bed as well. Across from that is the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you've got a countertop extension, which is great. A lot of people are always wishing that trailers had more countertop space. This provides that for you. It's a corner kitchen, which is really great. You've got a really nice window. You've got a microwave, 3-burner cook stove, and oven. You've got a really great 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt residential fridge. This kitchen is got lots of storage, a lot of places for food and for all the pots and pans and things that you need. And then moving to the back is a private bedroom. So it's got a 60 by 74 queen size bed. They put nice mattresses in this trailer, so you're not going to have to go and buy a new mattress for the trailer. They're very good quality. When you lift the bed up at the front, there's storage underneath with little storage compartments underneath there. You've got really great shirt closets on right and left side, and overhead lighting, USB ports, everything you need to be really comfortable in this bedroom, and it gives you a lot of privacy with that sliding door. This is an amazing trailer, a great floor plan. I think you would really like it. I would love to show it to you. If you would give me a call or send me a text, I'd be happy to answer any questions or set an appointment with you. My number is 541-636-7878. My name is Chris Bystead. I'm really excited to show you what the Guaranty difference is.